Yeah, hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading, and today is January 21st. It's a Monday, and I did not do a video on Friday, but we had four trades and we had four winners. And actually, we added a new market. We took off the Russell and added natural gas. And then today, we're trading all three: crude oil, natural gas, and the Russell. And wanted to show first crude oil. Now, it's a snowy day in New York today, so we didn't have a whole lot of good movement as we would define it. And we had no trades on crude oil today, actually. We had a couple of trades that were just really close, but just didn't set up optimally for really conservative trades. Now, this is the one trade. This is a power bounce off the 50. I needed a 2/3 candle close and only got a half. So by one tick, and being ultra conservative here, I missed a 52 tick trade to the upside. And the C candle came a little bit too high off the 50 and it had lifted off the 15. So that was too risky. But this initial trade, really by one tick, I did not call it. And this was a power bounce off the 50, but I didn't like the structural setup because it came with a hammer. I like to have a big candle body coming off the 50. Then there was this parabolic move that came um, without any warning, no signal, nothing. There was no way to catch it. What we needed was an early retracement in this defined downtrend. It never came by the time the C candle hit. This move was very extended, well past our 16 tick safe zone. So there was nothing we can do with that move. So we really had no trade setups on crude oil. We had a very close, very near miss on a 52 tick winner. Natural gas, which we also were watching today, just really didn't give us any conservative entries. It made a move up early in the morning, actually in the middle of the night, and then just never really. When it came down, it broke through the 50, but the 50 was still heading up. Now this was a power entry. This candle was not a 2/3 candle close. Just again, barely missing a beautiful trade to the downside. And then by this time we had the room closed. So here was actually a really, really nice entry. Here. This came at 12:36, and we were already through for the day. So this was the first really nice conservative trend trade we had, and you can see it worked out beautifully. But we didn't get any good trades on natural gas either. But we did get a real nice trade on the Russell. Right here. We had a 3-line break of the 50, shot down for 27 ticks. It did make a nice retracement, but that retracement did not come with any signal, so we did not take it short. But we got a 27 tick trade, and really it was our only trade for the day. There are lots of opportunities here to get stopped out. There are lots of false breakouts, lots of chop. But in the almost 3 hours that were in the room, we stopped trading around 11:30 in the morning. Now there were some opportunities did present itself later in the afternoon, but between the times that we were trading, so we closed with one winner on the TF for 27 ticks, 3 contracts. And again, this is for educational purposes only. Made $270. 5 contracts made $420. And in a rugged day, being ultra conservative, it kept us out of chop, out of danger, out of taking any of these false breakouts, any of these choppy moves. We missed a real home run, a 52 tick trade by one tick, not getting at 2/3 candle close above the 50 on a green 50. That would have been a real would have made a real big difference in our equity. But we did catch the 27 tick winner, so it added to our. We started off the week on a good note, and added to our real nice equity for the month. We had 4 winners to close out Thursday, 4 out of 4 winners on Friday, and 1 out of 1 today. So we're working on 9 winners in a row. So I'll be doing a video every day this week. I'll keep everyone posted on our trading room performance, and try to push this equity curve up hard as we move into the home stretch on January. I hope everybody has a really great day.